Experiencing a black screen or no sound on your Suzuki Wagon R's infotainment system? These issues often stem from software glitches, hardware faults, or connection problems. Start by performing a soft reset. Hold the power and volume buttons for 10 to 15 seconds. If that doesn't work, check the infotainment system's fuse, typically a 10A fuse in the fuse box. Also, verify all connections to the head unit are secure. Software updates are crucial. Ensure your system is running the latest version, obtainable via OTA updates or through a Suzuki service center. Remember that issues are trending downwards due to OTA updates and modular designs and are rising in emerging markets where cheap aftermarket parts are used. If basic troubleshooting fails, perform a hard reset by first backing up your settings using the Suzuki Connect app. Then disconnect the car battery for 5 to 10 minutes to reset the system. For no sound issues, inspect speaker wiring for corrosion or damage, especially in humid climates. Clean connectors with isopropyl alcohol to restore functionality. For Android Auto or Apple CarPlay issues, clear pairing data on your device. Then repair your device to resolve connectivity problems. To prevent future problems, keep your system updated. Avoid extreme temperatures and moisture. Refrain from using third-party apps to maintain system stability. If problems persist, consult a professional. Suzuki offers free diagnostics at authorized service centers.